right, all right. Well, this is a pretty common problem. If you've got dogs around the house, you may have run into something like this where they are scratching the door. In this case, they really did a job on this door, but we can fix it. Because this is so deep, I'm actually going to use a 2-part putty and filler. It'll harden up really quick in about 15 minutes, and then we can sand it. I'm going to put on some gloves first here. And the way this works is you've got the hardener here, and you mix it together. So you take some of this here, mix it up. And then you add a little bit of the hardener. Now this will start to set up pretty quick, so we don't want to take too long. We want to keep this moving, because once it sets, it sets. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now all we do is take our knife here and just fill it in. I like to put it on a little heavy, a little thick, just to make sure it goes into all the crevices. Now we wait. I wonder if looking at it makes it dry faster. All right, it's been about 20 minutes. This is nice and dry. So I'm gonna move everything out of the way, and now we can sand it down. I'm just using an orbital sander with 120 grit sandpaper. You got to make sure that you feather this in so this transition from the original to the new is nice and smooth, which it is. Now we're just going to take a damp cloth, wipe it down, and now we can paint. All right, so this is paint and primer in one, so we can put it right on. It's probably going to need 2 coats at least. And honestly, the hardest part of this whole job was locating the same paint as this door, but I think we got it. Okay, we got a couple coats on here. Looks great, never even know it was there. We fixed the problem, but I do think we need to work on the source of the problem.